Welcome to our series of videos jumping into the Places section in Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at adding and deleting places. So there are two ways you can add a new place in Plottr. The first is in the Places toolbar under the plus new button, or with the plus button next to the Places title. So we'll do that now. And you can see it created a new place on the left side, and the details are ready to be filled in on the right. So let's call this place the Wolf's Den. You can give it a short description, where the wolf lives, and you can fill in custom attributes about it, which we'll go over in a future video. And now we can choose an image, either from our image gallery, where we've already uploaded pictures, or we can upload a new one, either by browsing for the file, or I'm going to simply drag and drop. And now we have the image of our cave. Select Choose. And now when we save it, we can see the Wolf's Den appears on the left-hand side. To remove the image, simply click on the details, click the yellow Remove button, and then once we save, you can see the image is removed again. Finally, if we'd like to delete the wolf den entirely, we can either click on the trash can icon right here on the left side list, or if we click into the details, there's a delete icon right here. And that covers our overview of adding and deleting places inside Plottr. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave any comments below. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for all our latest videos. And I'll see you in the next video.